Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Ravenswatch is crashing or crashing on startup. Here are some solutions that players have found to work. Now the first solution is check system requirement. Ensure your system meets the minimum or recommended requirement. If your system falls below these specs, the game may struggle to run properly. Now the first solution is update graphic drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers may cause crashes, especially on startup. Update your graphic card drivers NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel through their official website or using dedicated software like GeForce Experience or AMD. Then simply restart the PC once you updated your driver, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, then verify game files. Simply click on the gear icon of your game, go to your game properties, click on the start file, then click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, you need to wait, then simply launch the game again, then check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, the third solution is disable overlays. Overlays such as Discord, GeForce Experience, or Steam can sometimes cause crashes. Disable them to see if this works. Now, simply go to your game properties on the Steam, then just uncheck this box of Steam overlay. Then launch the game, then check problem fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, then disable Discord overlay. Guys, if Discord is installed on your PC, then Discord overlay is the problem sometimes. So just disable it, then launch the game, then check. If your problem is not fixed, then lower graphic settings. If your PC is struggling to handle the game requirement, reduce graphic setting. In game, try turning off shadows, anti-aliasing, or switching to windowed mode. This is also an important setting. You can try, then check. Now the next solution is simply go to your game properties and click on the install files. Now just click on the browse option. And guys, here in this folder, just locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. Make a right click on it, click on the properties, then go to the compatibility. Now here, just check the box of run the program as an administrator, then uncheck the box of disable full screen optimization and compatibility mode. Now click on the apply, launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, then check the box of disable full screen optimization and compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Now click on apply. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now guys, if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you can try is the disable background programs. So some background programs can interfere with the game. Make a right click on your taskbar, open up the task manager. Here you will see all the background applications. Simply close all unnecessary background application running on your PC. Now you will see the startup on the top. Just click on that. And guys, here just disable all of these, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash or the crashing issues. So make a right click on all of these that are unnecessary and just disable all of these. Now the next solution is update Windows. Ensure your operating system is up to date. Sometimes missing Windows update can cause crashes. Go to the Windows setup with update and simply open it. Now if there is any kind of available update for your Windows, first update it, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, then check for conflicting software. Some antivirus or firewall programs can interfere with the game, add the game and the launcher to the expectation list, or temporarily disable the antivirus to test if this fixes the crashes. Now, you can also try this solution and check problem is fixed or not. Now, the next solution is restart the game. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the game to see if it works, and hope one of the solution fixes your problem. And if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.